British Council and my rebirth date. Today I start the day of my rebirth in a very short time, in a single month. Yes, on this right day, in this late afternoon, I got light from the sun and I became a full moon. For sure, I'm no more a crescent. All after this history is past of recent. For those old trainers, facilitators, you have made me even better. Let me give them, let me for war, heartily gift oral and the moral award. I have taken their effort in this regard. Actually, I don't compare. The order is as later. Ali, let me start from someone after I wish to proceed one by one. Without the speech, all the four P's, space and power, pause and pitch. Because those things I become rich. Now I make public speech with confidence. I can tell you the following as evidence. The structure at beginning to be ready. I have learned signposting ABCD. I'm telling you a simple fact, not a riddle. The audience is to be told in the middle. With a passion by creating lasting impact, utilizing body language with eye contact. To be assertive, really smart. To speak frankly, to be strict, she deserves the credit in how to coping with conflict. It was in fact equipped well to cope with conflicts through aid of simple model. All of you once give me a chance. Please, please. Allow me a word, a respected woman. That is Alice. I continue fast walking. Now is the time to interwave and networking. Hopefully, you might guess about whom I am talking. She is for me, with that great aspiration, enabled me stages of preparation. I could create good networking with her support by handling new partner with special piece of rapport. Now I become interactive to go ahead long trip. Definitely, I can maintain long-lasting relationship. There is a lot to be mentioned about her. She coached me in how to be a negotiator. In works of diplomat, culturally to be aware, process of negotiation in simple code, style of open close, smart aim, stage of thought. Never label my status as usual, as I have now the best word of mutual. The world as it is bad now with outcome from win-win through deadlock to zero sum. She developed me well skill, even hobby. She taught me in how to debate, and how to lobby. She is really hardworking, who has the way. Nobody is there about her in how to tell. She brought me up to this scale and the level, to this skills and the level by breaking the ego of silence that hardly shared. A woman of great respect, the credit goes to Michelle. Still your patience. I go ahead, my first run. Here comes now a great man. We picked up from lower to higher station through skills of good presentation. I really appreciate his unreserved effort to fully train one said, hand and heart. In all the journeys of his right track, he knows how to build, he knows how to brag. In a sandwich model of providing fit. Amazing to be a center of knowledge grid that can tell on spot how to say, to read, and to write and to read. He is truly a gifted man with special ability, in fact led by principle of intelligibility. Yeah. Because of this great person, I have done mental sport. I managed to write a good report. He changed it to bright one, my dark day of the midnight, through the process of try this. My life is now smooth, nothing graph. I could write very nice paragraph. I'm really a full person, really exact. Let Almighty remain intact. That credits through Yoni this great fact. For my skill, Yami Yoni issued a seed. I cannot pay for what he did. Simply allow me to say, perfect indeed. Now is the time for Monica's visible joke who planted onto my life a future hope. I acquired art of meeting with all menus from setting the agenda to the venues. How to handle current affairs, to read a word with great care. She gave me a chance, which is golden, because of her. I knew that. Problem structure. She gave me a chance, which is golden because of her. I knew London. From London structure to the great UK culture. I could manage how to really pronounce, but I have no words about her to announce. She is unique, who has opened my success gate, whom forever I will forget. Here is the one who switched on my life lamp, who showed me a true light in dark camp, teaching me very useful mind map to write well with a purpose and a reason to see beyond a horizon. For me, it was a period of rebuilding from the beginning to the ending. Solomon is the right person to show a day of bright sun. I really came from a dark to the sunrise. Let me tell you a surprise, how to tailor writing to reader size. So taught me art and science completely to be correct, clear, concise. From great knowledge power, I have taken brain shower. I acquired profession, I really get great power. Thanks to Soul, I can write effectively, considering reader purpose respectively. Now I become the owner of autonomy in how to use word usage economy, not to write a sentence longer, wider, not to create a long net like a spider. To utilize plain, clean, simple language by avoiding the cliches from usage, to write well with right gauge because of so. I got skill in abundance in writing brief, clear correspondence. I want him, please come on, once applaud for Solomon. There is someone that I mentioned who coordinates all the mission with due care as family. Say thank you to Emily. Finally, to evaluate it around the table, the training was very fruitful and valuable. The gratitude for British Council cannot be listed with pen and pencil. It is better to say you did a great job, wishing long life with a bright hope. It is a miracle, a great mystery, to bring rapid change, to create history. A special thanks reaches to my ministry. Without specific dividing border, let us give credit to all